Uh, Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Shahan Virtual Academy. And today's topic is the work and energy. Okay, this topic related to physics. So let's start it. Today we will discuss about what is energy and what its relation to the work. Okay, so first we will start from work. Basically, what is work? If a body is, let us suppose, if a body is placed on the level of ground, so it, when we pushed it to the front force, so it moves from a distance s and move from this position to this position. So means a body do some work. What is work? Basically, we applied force. So after applying force, it moves some displacement. So basically, the same is its definition. Therefore, is the definition of work when a body moves, when we apply a force with the help of applying force, with the help of applying force. Okay, with the help of applying force. If body moves from one place to another place, one place which is A, position A, to another place which is position B, so it is said to be a work done by the body. Okay, so means uh, this is basically the work. Okay, so the what how we can express the work, how we can express the work in shape of mathematical expressions. Okay, let's mathematical expression of work. Work basically a dot product of force into displacement. Okay, and what is dot? Dot means f d cos of theta. What is cos of theta? Basically, application of the direction of application of force with the uh, distance. If there's an angle, basically is f cos theta d. Means the angle between theta here, theta is the angle between direction of application of force with the direction of displacement. Okay, means if we applied force in this direction, so it displaces in this direction. Okay, so this is basically here's a theta 0 degree, and what will be the work maximum when the theta will be 0 degree? Means when the force is applied in the direction of displacement. When the direction force is along with the direction of displacement, means the theta is 0 and it will be maximum, because cos theta is the 1. Okay, so this is called. So what is the positive work and what is the negative work? And what is the relation with the energy? Okay, positive work. Let's suppose there is a body. If we push the body, let's we discuss a positive work and a negative work. If we push a body in front direction, okay, so body moves in this direction with making distance s or d, okay, whatever you say. So it moves with the application of force, applied force. Okay, so let's suppose we apply a force which is 50 Newton. Okay, so another force will apply here, which is the force of friction, which always acted against to the force applied force, which should be the minimum, because if force of friction should be minimum to the applied force. So in this condition the work most probably will be done. But if the application was maximum, then F, the work would not be happen. Okay, work would not be done. In this case, work will be done. Okay, so means that when so the direction of force is in this direction, where the direction of F is this direction, while the direction of work is right direction, and the direction of displacement is also right direction. So the angle between the F and D is 0 degree, while angle between this D and F is 180 degree. So here, work done by applied force, work by applied force F, work by F, FD cos 0. FD cos 0 means FD is positive. Okay, and this is course FD cos 180 degree, which is 180. What is cos 180? Is always negative. So the work is negative. So basically this is the positive work. Work happened by applied force is called positive, and work happened by friction, force of friction, which whose direction is always opposite to direction of the displacement, so it is a negative. Okay, now here we will discuss about the energy. What is the energy and what is the relation with the work? When a body is displaced from one position to another position, so which energy is changed? There's two types of energy. We have the potential energy and we have a kinetic energy. Okay, potential energy is those energy. What is the potential energy? Potential energy is related to the position, change of position. Okay, now let's see. Potential energy relates to the change in position. Kinetic energy relates with the change in motion, or we can say that with the help of moving a body, its kinetic energy will be changed, but its potential energy could not be changed. Okay, if a body, let's suppose this is a height 2 meters from the ground, and there's a table. This is a table. Okay, and this table, a body is placed there. Okay, a body is placed. When it is a position A, when we displace a body from this position to this position, so in this criteria, kinetic energy is changed, but potential energy is conserved. Okay, this is the work done, but this is work done with the help of kinetic energy. But when this body is displaced to this position, which is C, so its kinetic energy is changed with the change in potential energy. Okay, because if we worked on it, potential energy is mgh. So m is the mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, but height is 0. Height remains same in kinetic energy position, so potential energy is always same. But kinetic energy, which is half mv square, is changed with the velocity, mass, where we put it, the way its kinetic energy is changed. So when body is displaced in the same position, so its kinetic energy will change, but potential energy remains same. So this is the relation between the works and energy which we would like to show you. Thank you very much.